Okay, go. What's your name?
Martin Daseldo.
Martin. May kalukalay kang artista, parang si Jake Cuenca. Diba? Okay. And how are you related to our deputy?
My cousin.
Kasan, okay, ba't ka seryoso? Galit ka pa sa mga bakla? Right, oh, pare lalaki ako. Okay, what can you say about your cousin? Text mo na lang. Just, like, okay, go. Alright. Ito bagay ko sa'yo, okay? It's consequence number 8, Mr. DJ. Do a wild modeling of your body without your shirt. Can you do that? Okay, go. Do it for your cousin. Come on. Parang bachelor's, palapakan natin. Come on, go!
Yabang ah. Yabang ah.
Palapakan natin. Come on. Hindi mo na. Awat na. Come on, girls. Take it off. Take it off. Shirt lang ha. Shirt. 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 Shirt lang ha. Okay, model. Model it. Come on. Behave mo na. You give it time. Come back. This is Jake Cuenca. Come on. Interested? Okay. Oh my God. Ayan na talaga ha. Okay, malaki ko natanggalin ha. Applause, come on, applause! Alright. Model your body. Now na. Applause, ha? Ano naman? Mainit. Oy, very